Straight Allies. This week, celebrate National Coming Out with the song, I'm Coming Out.
Embry-Riddle Pride got to enjoy UCF, Stetson, and Rollins yesterday at the Orlando Pride Parade. So